What is up, guys? We are here at Area 15. This is the location of Omega Mart. We're going to go in and explore, have a great time. I want to say a huge thank you to Omega Mart for having us out here. So, you guys are great. Let's get in there and explore. Something we've never done. I'm excited. Roll that intro.
Go.
So we walk in through this prism thing here, right? As soon as you walk in, you see a bunch of different like art exhibits. It's pretty cool. This is basically like one giant art museum. And I find that so awesome. Like you look all the way down here, you see this is a giant fallen robot. Down there we have a couple, a dragon, as well as a sign right there that says "Welcome to Las Vegas, Nevada." But it's fallen. Alright, we are now inside of Area 15, and look at this pretty cool skull. I love everything in here. They have these black lights. Oh, the door closed behind us. They have black lights. Look at my shoes right now. They are popping. Look at my mom's shirt. We are out here. Alright, we gotta go explore. I gotta say, the scenery in here is pretty awesome, like right off the rip. You guys look right over here. It's Omega Mart. This is where we're going into. We're gonna go explore. Alright guys, we are now inside of Omega Mart, and they gave us our little like Omega access card, which has this symbol right here. Anywhere we see this symbol, we need to tap it to try to tell the story of Omega Mart. So let's go explore. So just so you guys know, Omega Mart has a bunch of like fake products over here. And if you look up here, we have a camel made out of the cans. Look, I'm not a fan, but if you guys want to get a little ham bag, you guys can get a ham bag right here. Have a bunch of like weird products. And then, you know, you just gotta rush right there. Pretty awesome. And if you guys didn't know where we are, it is Meow Wolf. All the way down. What is it?
Over like paper clips, but in the cat.
Oh, that's so cute though. I've always needed a can of dehydrated water. This is great. Now let's go into the Infinity Melon.
Look at this.
And it only costs what? It's a strawberry pretzel. Oh man. Fruits 2.0. You want an apple cup? No? What about some apples? Are they talking? Alright, so we're going to try to explain to you the best, more or less, what you're supposed to be doing here. There's an overall narrative to Omega Mart, so you're trying to find out what you're here for. So if you want to find out, stay till the end. But basically, you go to those stations that we talked about with your card. You scan this card at every single station.
Yeah.
Okay. So when you go there, you're doing like training videos, and you're also learning the narrative of the whole spiel.
You are a Omega Mart employee.
Exactly. You're part of the, what was it, the Dramley.
Yes.
The Dramley. So basically, what we're going to be doing is walking you through all the different training videos.
And you get like badges and stuff. It'll make more sense when
Yeah, it'll make sense. Like right now, it's really confusing. We're both still, even though we had it completely explained.
We have to go to the slurping machine.
Yeah, we got to go to
see that in a second.
Yeah.
That's our like next training, and then we have to go upstairs because it's 2 floors.
We gotta go to the break room.
And go to the break room and take our spill quiz. I don't know what that is. We'll find out when we go upstairs. But there's like a lot of like things we have to do. Also on the screen you'll see probably things that are grayed out. That's because you haven't done it yet.
Yeah.
It'll be colorful on the little, I guess, badge.
The badges will light up as soon as you see it, basically.
When you've done that achievement.
So, let's go to the slurping machine and continue our training.
Let's go.
Yeah. Yes.
Pink or magenta.
Showing travel.
All right.
Yay!
Congratulations.
Proud of
Employee
you.
number not found. You are the employee of the moment.
Alright guys, so we just finished our employee training. You guys saw it. These trippy lights are because we just walked through the employee break room and we're now in the back. We are in the factory. We are going to be getting our certifications now in the
And seeing
factory.
how they produce like the
Their
products.
We're gonna see how they make their
And
products
it's
here in
not
Omega
what
Mart.
you think.
Yeah. Okay, we just got some very vital information, and we were just told that we're not allowed to tell you guys anything else. So, we're gonna tell you guys more or less about our experience at the end. For now, enjoy the scenery. Hard to see us, but right off the rip here, look at this beautiful scenery. This is just turning around, and then we have this like little, it looks like a bomb shelter, but it's not a bomb shelter. When you walk in, it's just wow, fabulous. The lights in here, everything feels super trippy. I feel like I'm in a 3D house at Horror Nights. Wow. So for reference, we were up there. We took the stairs to come down here. And now Lexi's in line right there to get our next training done. Alright, let's get in here.
I'm trying to go.
As we explore some more, we are very lost. We don't know what's going on anymore. Hey look, it's the current employee of the month. Oh, employee of the moment. It's the thinker. Maybe he's thinking about why his buddy got chopped up into meat. Alright guys, we have now been here for a whole 2 hours. And I'm just going to give you a nice view of everything. I want to say that I am a little bit, just a little bit confused. Like, yes, it's cool. Alright guys, we've been here for 2 hours now, and I'm just going to say there is a whole overarching story. However, it is very confusing. Like, very confusing. My parents are getting hungry and tired. I'm confused. So I think I'm going to have to leave this up to you guys to solve this mystery one day whenever you get to come out here. Because I will tell you this. Scenically, this is one of the nicest places I've ever been. It's gorgeous in here, and I mean fabulous. There's so many art exhibits that you can check out while walking through here. But, I mean, you can be here for anywhere from an hour to like 3 hours. So, keep that in mind as well if you're trying to plan your day around it. So, with that being said, let me go back to the front of Omega Mart so we can check out the merchandise and everything else. Alright everyone, here's all the merch they have, all the shirts. I'm actually grabbing this one for myself. Alright, you got these cool hats. The shirts are all $28 by the way. Here's some pretty cool hats. Funny Valley, and your own little Omega Mart hat. Then they have some pins. Pins are $10 each. And then these cool little cups. We have a stretched out cow that say Omega Mart. Holy snow globes. Cool stuff, cool stuff. Another cool thing they have is the tattooed chicken as a pin. In addition to those over here, they have all these shirts up here in different colors. Okay. In addition to the shirts and pins that I've shown you, they also have these little plushes. And some air fresheners. Along with that, they have some of their own drinks. Also, just so you guys know, anything that you can pick up, like food-wise,
You see this delicious stuff?
you can buy it. Let me correct myself. If you could pick it up and it has a price tag on it, because these don't have barcodes. Oh, this one has a barcode. I don't know, maybe. I've always had a joke with people that I'm going to give them dehydrated water. So here you go. Here's your can of dehydrated water. They also have all these cute little earrings. And some hot sauces, which I don't know if you can actually buy these, but some of them you can, some of them you can't. You just have to, like I said, if they have a price on them, that's when you know you can purchase them. Alright guys, we just got out of Omega Mart and I want you to see that there is a line. So please get here accordingly so you guys don't have to wait super long.
Get your tickets online actually. Try to get your tickets online because these are the people that pretty much probably got them just now. So
True.
get smoke food.
Alright, let's check out the Meow Wolf store. They gave us a 10% off coupon. So let's see if there's anything in here we would like to get. So hold on, I actually really like this hat. They also have all kinds of merch here for you to get. They have the shirts. Socks. Stickers. Pins. As well as patches. Also, just for reference, they have almost everything they sell in Omega Mart here at the Meow Wolf store. So if you forget to buy something there, or you're just coming to the Area 51 in general, you can come and get something here for yourself. That is so cute. What is that?
It's a pencil holder.
Oh. But yeah, cool stuff here. Alright guys, there's an overlook at Area 15, so you know where everything is. So you guys know it's not just Omega Mart, but Omega Mart is a huge part of it, so keep that in perspective. Also, you guys can see from this side, there's a store here called Rocket Fizz, as well as an upstairs portion that has locations like Museum Fiasco, Five Iron Golf, Emporium, which is an arcade and bar, a virtual VR, Haley's Comet, and Wink World. Cool. All things that maybe we can check out next time we come. They have all different kinds of sodas here inside of Rocket Fizz.
Oh.
Like Havana Banana. Bazooka? Was that Bazooka bubblegum?
Yeah. Me too.
Weird. And yeah. They also have international food. So Alexi got these Lays that are not from here. One's chili lime, and the other is Mexican chicken tomato. Yeah, that's different. Definitely different. And they have all these different types of jelly beans and stuff. Pretty cool, pretty cool.
This is like haunting me.
Yeah, so Lexi's seen these everywhere now, and it's like they're telling her to get one. Maybe she'll get one, who knows. Another thing they have here at Area 15 is that you can ride around these little white cars. Pretty cool. There's someone coming right now, you can check them out. Hold on, let me zoom in.
My phone. What do you mean?
There you go. Like I said, there's a bunch of other stores down here. A lot to explore someday, but not today. We are getting ready to walk out of Area 15. I had a great time here, a lot of fun. I'll catch you guys when we are outside. Before we walk out, this is everyone that was credited in the exhibition here. A whole lot of names. If you guys want to see more details about it, you can scan this QR code right here. If you're watching on your computers, check it out. Alright guys, so we have finished inside of Area 15 and Omega Mart all together. I have to say, it's a different experience.
Definitely is.
Compared to like normal. The best way to explain it is like an escape room with extra steps.
Yeah, it's not easy. You could definitely spend more than at least 2 hours here trying to figure out the mystery behind Omega Mart and all of that. We unfortunately did not succeed. It was just a lot, plus we have other things to do today.
Yeah.
But definitely, if you're planning on doing this, plan it basically your whole day.
Exactly. And there's a lot more stuff to do inside of Area 15 besides just Omega Mart. There's a bar. There's the ride thing I showed you guys. Yeah. The store, like Lexi's saying.
They have like some store like has like rave stuff, so if you're into that, they have that kind of stuff here. Overall, I like the experience. Also, you can use, if you wanted to, you can use the Omega Mart for a picture op too.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know if I'd want to pay $50 for that personally.
Well, 60 basically. That's 55 per person.
So yeah, $60. But let's say, you know, half your other party decides they want to do the mystery, but you wanted to take pictures, whatever. It's a great picture up as well. It's not just the mystery of it all.
Check on Groupon because sometimes you can see better prices. That goes for anything you want to do in general when you're traveling.
For sure.
So, if you guys like this video, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Huge shout out to Omega Mart. Almost forgot to say it.
Yes.
Thank you guys for inviting us out here. You guys are all amazing. You guys are spectacular.
The staff was great. Very helpful. I had lost my phone in the process.
Yeah, she lost her phone, but we were able to get it back.
Yeah, security was nice. Yeah. Thank you.
So, comment down below what you guys want us to do next. Subscribe if you guys already haven't done so. And stay excellent, my dudes.